Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. We're in downtown Chloraka. We're on the beach front, or should we say the rock front. Quite a rocky area indeed, but the view out there is absolutely spectacular. That's the most beautiful woman in the world, and her name is Ochin Gracivia Lobo.
Hello everybody! How nice to see you again and again.
And again, so stick with us. We are going to try and do a bit of Chichotchka dancing.
Ha!
Ha! Stick with us. We're going to go along the coastal pathway and we're going to have a little bit of monkeying around. Show you some villas, show you some great views, and you never know, we might even dance again. We might get to see the greatest.
I need my Chichotka boots.
What about the rear end?
Buy to me the Chichotka boot because mine is just about to die.
Yes, she has Chichotchka'd the life out of her boots, and shall we say they're on their very, very last legs. There's another couple of weeks in them at Nassau.
No, actually we can find a good repairman man if he will agree to.
Yes, not a bad idea, because obviously those boots are quite expensive. So I'll take them to the Paphos Mall. There is a man that can re-heel them, and this time we'll get him to put metal heels on them, so we'll have the tap dancing, Chichotchka dancing, rear end, most beautiful woman in the world, and that's her, Ochin Gracivia Lobo. Let's follow the rear end as we make our way back to the coastal pathway to the rear of the King Elephant Hotel and the Akati Holiday Resort, and there's various villas on the way.
Snake will appear on my way. You know that I'm gonna jump on your head, yeah?
Well, it could put our views up, that's for sure. Stick with us, the coastal pathway is just over there. See if the booth is being attacked.
The little crocodiles and everything. Oh my god.
There are all sorts of little things walking around, that's for sure, even tourists.
It's like a jungle here.
It is a jungle, isn't it? Yes. So, we're now going to get on to the hotel pathway, and here it is. So this pathway literally comes all the way from... Come. Receiver the booth has seen something. What has she seen? She's seen something. She's seen a nice pool or something. There we are. She's seen a villa that is a work of art. There we go. Have a look at that. And there's some exercising equipment on the terrace. Perhaps we should pop in, have a dip, and have a bit of a workout. Perhaps we shouldn't, because they'll probably phone the Gumbaras in blue, and we'll end up in a cell. But don't worry, I need two boys, Jeremy and Simon. They got plenty of money, and they've always offered, if we get into trouble, that they will get on a plane, bring lots of money with them, and they will bail us out. So a very, very big thank you to you, Mr. Jeremy and Mr. Simon. And we look forward to meeting you, by the way, and we're looking forward to making some, well, should we say, funny videos, that's for sure.
Don't scare the boys, please. Don't scare.
Well, the video making won't scare the boys. It's the money spending that's going to scare the boys.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Especially when they take you shopping.
Oh yeah.
Then they're going to understand.
I will only spend about a couple of thousands.
There you go. See, should be very, very gentle on you indeed. A couple of thousand a day each. So bring plenty of money. What I would do is book yourself for 10 days. That's all you'll be able to stand. Bring 20,000 each, and you'll go home with your credit cards absolutely maxed. Look at that for a nice garden.
Oh, nice.
And a beautiful bungalow with obviously a truly, truly spectacular view. And the view is that. Absolutely beautiful. A view that takes your breath away. The only thing that comes close to that view is that view.
If I had such a lovely view of my yard, or the garden, or the little window at least, I don't think I would ever die.
We do have quite a good view, to be honest. But there we are. We have a view down towards the Mandria area, which is where the airport is. And of course, that's out to the sea. And if we look around the other way, we have a view straight down over Paphos, mid-Paphos and indicated Paphos. And on a clear day, we can actually see ourselves walking along the promenade, making silly little videos.
Well, the silly little videos bring a bit of happiness and fun into the hearts of human beings. The loveliest people of us who are watching us, and I don't remember any bad comments of them. It's totally other way around, and thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Yes, we do like to thank every single person that watches every single second of our videos. Whether you watch 1 second and go, that's rubbish, and click off, we thank you. Whether you watch a minute or whether you watch every single second, we thank you, we thank you, and we thank you. And we appreciate the time and the attention that you give us, and we thank you for that. And if there's anywhere that you would like us to go, if we can go there, we will. If there's a silly video that you want us to do, drop it in the comments, and if we can make it, we will make it, especially for you, with the greatest of pleasure. And if you do like what you see, you're able to go into our About page, and on there you can find a symbol that says Buy Me a Coffee. Now, we're not asking you to give us money, but if you do like what you see, you can register your debit card, your credit card on there, and you can click the button and you can send us a very, very modest sum indeed. And we would appreciate that very, very much, because the channel does have to grow and it does have to get its money from somewhere, because we do want to go to Crete, to Corfu and to Rhodes, and then back around again to Paphos. And we want to do that in a circle and create more fun for more people on more of the Greek islands. So we thank you for giving us the time of the day. We'll see you at the booth.
I would like to tell you many, many thanks, our dearest people. We are really, really thankful. And you know, many times we are imagining all of you, someone who we never have seen before, and many times we are talking and about the people who we already seen and met. None of our dearest guests of the channel wasn't bad. They all are amazing, and you all are amazing, as we are, because we can't meet bad people. Thank you for your supporting, and thank you for your existing into our world. And look at this view. Yeah,
let's have a look at this view, because it is a view to die for. It's truly spectacular. Nice, rocky, very, very rugged. The sea is glistening onto the blue Mediterranean Sea, because that sea is blue, that sky is blue. I'm dressed head to toe in blue, so all it's actually missing, oh by the way, she's head to toe in blue as well. Even got a blue faced watch and up and down underwear. Yes, you heard me, and up and down underwear. But all that's actually missing is
you, Mr. Paul. We are a channel, family channel.
Yes, we are a family channel, so get yourself on a big bird or a canoe
and start paddling like crazy,
because we're waiting for you. We want to show you this beautiful view off these beautiful rocks, and we hope that you can grasp the spectacality and the beauty of the downtown Chloraka plage area. Have a look at that.
I can't touch it. Can you?
I have absolutely no idea, but I know a man who will tell us, Mr. Ian. He'll go and check it in the comments.
Touch it.
What is it, Crucibia?
I don't know. I'm scared.
It's just a bit of fluff. Looks as though it might have been a part of a dead cat. If anyone understands what that is, that's the little fluffy thing that goes on the end of a microphone. It's not actually a dead cat. Although, I do threaten our cats, and we do have 4 of them. We have one little baby Gumbaro. He'd be lovely if he was stuck on the end of the camera, and he would go meow, meow, meow. But he would look absolutely beautiful, and I'm sure that he would null out all of the wind noise and that kind of thing. Receive it?
I would like to thank you again and again. And please, don't forget to click and subscribe. You are really helping our channel to become big and big and big. And all it is at the moment being, all is happening with our channel. It's all you. You've done it. You stand next to our shoulders, me and Mr. Paul. You decided that we are not too bad. This is all we are asking at the end of the day. Thank you very much. And many kisses. We're loving you to bits.
So if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, come back for a little bit more of our madness, and you get to see some beautiful views, and on top of that you get to see the rear end of watching Chloraka Sea Front. Look at that. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching.